All right, so I want to look at motion sketch here, which is a way to kind of use just draw animations, I guess is a good way to look at it. So we'll take a look and see how that might be done. All right, so let's do a new shape layer here, and we're going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to press P, look at the position of the rectangle. Make sure we've got our anchor point in a decent place. And then we can press this button here, it's called Start Capture. So as soon as we click, we're going to be starting the capture. You can see it's going through the thingy. Okay, so you can see now, it's essentially got a bunch of different points there. Let's try this. Brush position, you see something like that, which is sort of like, it tells you can probably put it in there. So you see, so that gives you an interesting effect. Looks like there's some sort of issue there when the second one comes along. That's interesting, that one. Let's see what happens if you do this. It's pretty cool, actually.